One of the mottos that my salon lives by is the 7 words to success. And those are show up, on time, ready to work. Now that sounds like a very easy thing to hear, show up on time, ready to work. But the reality is, it's not. You know, I spend a lot of my time as a coach and a mentor and a salon owner, as a boss, just getting people out of bed. And I spend a lot of time making sure when they get to work, they're actually caffeinated and they're already fed and they're ready to go. I make the analogy quite frequently about how much you hate to walk into a restaurant and sit down at a dirty table. Yet, hairstylists let their guests sit around in their filth all day, you know, and how we don't honor where we are and the station in which we work. It matters not if you are a booth renter or a salon owner. Your chair is your Waffle House. It's your restaurant. It's your place. And you can make with that chair anything and everything you ever wanted. One of the reasons I love being a salon owner is because I love the culture of feeding off each other's success and ideas. It keeps me always spinning. You know, I have a 50-chair salon in Atlanta, and I don't know how I would be where I am if it wasn't for all the great people that work there.